NetSupport Manager Review: Honest Insights and User Experience on Remote Monitoring Tools. Managing remote devices efficiently has become essential in today's hybrid work world. That's why I tested NetSupport Manager, a popular remote control and monitoring tool used by professionals worldwide. Here's my honest take after using it. Most people get this wrong. They think remote tools are just about screen sharing. But NetSupport Manager goes much deeper. It lets you control, monitor, and even automate multiple computers across a network, whether they're on site or miles away. Setup was straightforward. After installing the software on both the host and client devices, I could instantly view connected systems and start remote sessions. Performance was excellent, low latency, even over weaker connections. You can transfer files, record sessions, send instant messages, and even share applications without interrupting users. Security is another strong point. All connections are encrypted, and you can enable multi-level authentication to protect sensitive systems. One standout feature is the monitor mode, which displays multiple screens at once, perfect for schools or teams managing large networks. I also liked the customizable permissions, which let you control exactly who can access what. The only downside is the interface. While functional, it feels a bit dated. But in terms of reliability and speed, it's one of the best I've used. In summary, NetSupport Manager is a powerful tool for its support, education, and business environments. It's secure, efficient, and designed for serious remote management. If you need full control over your systems from anywhere, this software won't disappoint.